Welcome to the channel Auto Trend. Today, we're diving into a legendary piece of automotive history. What if the Corvette Grand Sport had been officially unveiled in 1962? This high-performance machine was a secret project by Zora Arkus-Duntov, Chevrolet's chief engineer, designed to dominate the racing world. The 1962 Corvette Grand Sport was envisioned as a lightweight, track-focused version of the Corvette, featuring an aluminum-intensive chassis and a powerful small-block V8 engine pushing over 500 horsepower, with aggressive aerodynamics, wide fenders, and a race-ready stance. This Corvette was built for speed. Imagine it hitting the tracks in 1962, challenging the best from Ferrari and Shelby. Though only 5 original Grand Sport prototypes were built, their impact on Corvette's racing legacy is undeniable. Had Chevrolet fully released the Grand Sport in 1962, it could have rewritten the history of American motorsport, establishing the Corvette as an endurance racing powerhouse even earlier. Today, the Grand Sport name lives on in modern Corvettes, paying tribute to this rare and powerful machine. The spirit of speed, precision, and engineering excellence continues to captivate enthusiasts worldwide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible car history and automotive trends. What do you think of? Should Chevrolet have unleashed the Grand Sport back in 1962? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more classic car legends. See you in the next video.